Let's paint music flows. So first, let me sketch it out. I'm gonna get my saxophone, my piano, my guitar, and my drums. Put all the valves on. Let's paint music flows. So first, let me sketch it out. I'm gonna get my saxophone, my piano, my guitar, and my drums. I'm gonna put all the valves on there too. First color is going to be a purple for the background. So we'll fill out our background color and get that all nice and in there. And after we get done with our background, we get this all filled in. We'll start with the gray color, and we'll do that on our piano to lay that out in the background. So that's gray is white and black. Purple is blue and red. Next thing we'll do is we'll paint the drums a sky blue, blue and white. We'll do our guitar, we'll paint that red. Next thing is orange, which is yellow and red, and that's going to be, and actually more of like a mustard. We'll do that, mixing those two colors for our saxophone, and we'll add our valves there too, add some shadows and some lights. We're gonna add and fill in all of the details now, our piano keys, our guitar sound hole, the drum head, put that in black, and we'll start outlining things, and we'll add some extra accents, and then we'll start putting in like our music, the aroma of music coming out of that saxophone and out of that sound hole. And once we do that, put in our guitar strings, we're all good to go, and we've created music flows, because music does flow, creates a sound that we love to hear. Hope you've had a good time. Let's paint music